The first phase of a clinical trial normally involves up to 50 young healthy people. The aim is to check if the treatment can harm people taking it. It is also important to identify any serious adverse effects of the treatment. Finally, a safe dosage is established during the first phase of a clinical trial. The second phase of a clinical trial involves a larger group of around 500 people affected by the disease. The aim of the second phase is to explore whether the treatment is effective in patients. In this phase, it is also important to identify any potential adverse effects. The treatment is for the first time tested against a control, which is typically a dummy treatment known as a placebo. The third phase of a clinical trial requires a significantly larger group size, typically thousands of people affected by the disease. The aim of the third phase is to establish the effectiveness of the treatment in a larger number of patients. Also, the treatment is tested over longer periods, often at several clinical research centers. In this phase, the treatment is often tested against other possible existing treatments, not just against the placebo. If these three phases conclude the treatment is safe and effective, it is then licensed by the relevant national regulatory body. The process from phase 1 to licensing can take 10 to 15 years. The final phase, safety surveillance, is focused on long-term testing. The treatment is tested on different groups of people, including various groups such as children and pregnant women, who were not included in earlier trial phases. This phase also contains tests about how the treatment interacts with other treatments, as well as detecting any rare or long-term adverse effects.